Good morning. So I took this truck to a local detailing shop, pulled in there and got talking with them, and I said I just want the two front windows tinted to factory match the back, and they got right into it and did it. Excellent job. I've been taking my vehicles to that detail shop for 13 years or so. They did a really good job. See there? Nice. And I got talking with the general manager. This is one thing that I really do not like about these AT4 Sierras, is if you look at this fender flare here on the front and back, this is the front right here. This is nice and smooth. Paint, beautiful paint job. But then you get down here, and this is that textured look on here. So I got talking with the GM there, and I'm gonna change these out. I'll be honest with you, I do not like these at all, and I'll tell you why I don't like them. Let's go here to the back and let me show you something. I know it's not really difficult to see this, but see that mark right there? When I applied turtle wax on the paint a couple of days ago, overshot it a little bit, and this is a bitch and a half to get off. And I was careful, and I still have lots of little oopsie-doos when waxing. That's just crap. So we got talking, and I guess Rough Country makes paintable fender flares for these trucks, and I think I'm going to do that and use the VIN code to color match this cayenne red tint coat on there. Okay, so I'll get that going here before too long. And the other thing, I know a lot of people will disagree with me, but these Wrangler Duratrac tires are absolutely excellent tires, but crazy amount of road noise. They're not as happy. I'm sure they're in their element off-road, but most of my driving is on-road, and the noise, and there's no vibration, but they're just freaking noisy. Kind of a chunky feel to them. It's just not to my liking. So I'm going to put some Michelins, like I had on the other truck, the AT2s, LTX A2s. They're an all-terrain tire, but more biased toward on-road comfort. And I loved them on the Silverado. So I've got those on order. Now, what do you do with these tires? Well, I'm going to get some old rims, GMC rims. I think the offsets, I don't think they changed the offset very much. So I'm going to put these tires on some used rims, with tire sensors and all that, and just have these to play with when I want to actually do off-roading. And since they're new tires, I'm going to be in good shape. So that's the plan, Stan. But overall, this thing is a freaking Corvette with 4 doors, 4-wheel drive, and a truck bed. One sweet ride. Right, there you have it. Let me know your thoughts. This just does nothing for me at all. And especially with the waxing, and they did such a beautiful job with the curves on the Sierra here. See that? But they just kind of screwed up with these. But that, to each their own, I guess. It's your truck. You can do what you want to it, right? All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.